In this video, you will learn how to create the parts list, balloons, and text. Now, insert a parts list, which is a table that itemizes the components in a design. Select Parts List from the Tables toolbar. The table dialog displays. Make sure the type is set to Parts List. Click the top right corner of the drawing border to place the parts list. Now let's create balloons on the shaded view. Select Balloon from the Tables toolbar. Select an edge of the first component on the shaded view and click to place the balloon. Select an edge of the second component on the shaded view and click to place the balloon. Click Close to complete the balloon command. The balloons display on the sheet and point to the components. The numbers in the balloons match the item numbers for each component in the parts list. Finally, add text to the drawing. The text command creates a text object to label parts of a drawing, provide specifications, or add annotations and notes. Select Text from the Text toolbar. Select two corners in the top left corner of the sheet to create a text box and type in Notes, all measurements in inches. In the text dialog, make sure the height is set to 0.12 inches and numbering is selected. Click Close to complete the text command. Now you know how to create parts lists, balloons, and text. Thanks for watching.